Today, our topic is the mindset of the most successful people. Successful people are not born successful. They become successful because of their mindset, their habits, and the way they think. The most successful people in the world share certain traits that set them apart. They think differently, act differently, and approach life with a unique perspective. If you want to achieve greatness, you need to understand and adopt the mindset of these individuals. Let's talk about what makes their mindset so powerful and how you can apply it to your own life. First, successful people have a clear vision. They know exactly what they want and where they are going. They don't wander through life without direction. Instead, they set specific goals and work tirelessly to achieve them. A clear vision gives them purpose and motivation. It helps them stay focused even when things get tough. If you want to be successful, you need to have a vision for your life. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? Where do I see myself in 5 or 10 years? Write down your goals and remind yourself of them every day. A clear vision is like a compass. It guides you and keeps you on the right path. Second, successful people take responsibility for their lives. They don't blame others for their problems or make excuses. They understand that they are in control of their own destiny. If something goes wrong, they don't complain or give up. Instead, they look for solutions and learn from their mistakes. Taking responsibility is not always easy, but it is essential for success. When you take responsibility, you empower yourself to make changes and improve your situation. Remember, you are the author of your own life. You have the power to shape your future. Third, successful people are disciplined. They have the ability to control their impulses and stay focused on their goals. Discipline is what separates the dreamers from the achievers. It's easy to get distracted or give in to temptation, but successful people resist these urges. They stick to their plans and do what needs to be done, even when they don't feel like it. Discipline is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Start small by setting daily goals and sticking to them. Over time, your discipline will grow, and you will achieve more than you ever thought possible. Fourth, successful people are lifelong learners. They understand that knowledge is power. They are always seeking to improve themselves and expand their skills. They read books, take courses, and surround themselves with people who inspire them. They know that the world is constantly changing, and they need to adapt to stay ahead. If you want to be successful, you need to commit to learning. Never stop asking questions or seeking new information. The more you know, the more opportunities you will have. Fifth, successful people are resilient. They don't let failure defeat them. Instead, they see failure as a stepping stone to success. They understand that setbacks are a natural part of life, and that every failure brings valuable lessons. When things go wrong, they don't give up. They get back up and try again. Resilience is what allows them to keep going, even when the odds are against them. If you want to be successful, you need to develop resilience. Learn to see challenges as opportunities to grow. Remember, every great success story is built on a series of failures. Sixth, successful people are optimistic. They have a positive attitude and believe in their ability to achieve their goals. They don't waste time worrying about things they can't control. Instead, they focus on what they can do to make things better. Optimism is a powerful tool because it helps you stay motivated and energized. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you are more likely to take risks and pursue your dreams. Cultivate a positive mindset by focusing on the good in every situation and surrounding yourself with positive people. Seventh, successful people are action-oriented. They don't just dream about success, they work for it. They understand that ideas are worthless without action. They set goals, make plans, and take consistent steps toward their objectives. They don't wait for the perfect moment or the right opportunity. They create their own opportunities by taking action. If you want to be successful, you need to adopt this mindset. Stop waiting for things to happen and start making them happen. Take small, consistent actions every day, and over time, these actions will add up to big results. Eighth, successful people are adaptable. They understand that life is unpredictable and that they need to be flexible. They are willing to change their plans and try new approaches when necessary. They don't cling to old ways of thinking or doing things. Instead, they embrace change and see it as an opportunity to grow. Adaptability is a key skill in today's fast-paced world. If you want to succeed, you need to be open to new ideas and willing to adjust your course when needed. Remember, the only constant in life is change. Ninth, successful people are focused on the long term. They don't get caught up in short-term pleasures or distractions. They are willing to make sacrifices today for a better tomorrow. They understand that success takes time and that real achievements require patience and persistence. They don't expect instant results or quick fixes. Instead, they stay committed to their goals and keep working toward them, no matter how long it takes. If you want to be successful, you need to adopt this long-term perspective. Focus on building a solid foundation for your future, and don't get discouraged by temporary setbacks. 10th, successful people are grateful. They appreciate what they have and don't take things for granted. They understand that gratitude is a powerful tool for happiness and success. When you are grateful, you attract more positive things into your life. Gratitude helps you stay motivated and focused on your goals. It also improves your relationships and makes you a more compassionate person. Take time every day to reflect on the things you are grateful for. This simple practice can have a profound impact on your mindset and your life. 11th, successful people surround themselves with positive influences. They understand that the people you spend time with have a big impact on your mindset and your success. They choose to be around people who inspire them, challenge them, and support them. They avoid negative people who drain their energy or bring them down. If you want to be successful, you need to be mindful of the company you keep. Surround yourself with people who share your values and ambitions. Build a network of positive, like-minded individuals who will encourage you to be your best self. 12th, successful people take care of their health. They understand that their physical and mental well-being are essential for success. They eat well, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. They also take time to relax and recharge. They know that they can't perform at their best if they are tired, stressed, or unhealthy. If you want to be successful, you need to prioritize your health. Make time for exercise, eat nutritious foods, and get enough rest. A healthy body and mind are the foundation of a successful life. 13th, successful people are persistent. They don't give up easily. They keep going even when things get tough. They understand that success often requires hard work and perseverance. They are willing to put in the effort and stay committed to their goals, no matter how long it takes. Persistence is what separates those who achieve their dreams from those who give up too soon. If you want to be successful, you need to develop this trait. Stay focused on your goals and keep pushing forward, even when the journey is difficult. 14th, successful people are confident. They believe in themselves and their abilities. They don't let fear or self-doubt hold them back. They take risks and step out of their comfort zone because they know that growth happens outside of comfort. Confidence is not something you are born with, it is something you build over time. If you want to be confident, start by taking small steps outside of your comfort zone. Celebrate your successes and learn from your failures. Over time, your confidence will grow and you will become unstoppable. 15th, successful people are humble. They don't let success go to their head. They remain grounded and continue to learn and grow. They understand that there is always room for improvement and that they can learn something from everyone. Humility is a sign of strength, not weakness. It allows you to stay open to new ideas and perspectives. If you want to be successful, don't let pride or arrogance get in the way. Stay humble and keep striving to be better. In conclusion, the mindset of the most successful people is a combination of vision, responsibility, discipline, learning, resilience, optimism, action, adaptability, long-term focus, gratitude, positive influences, health, persistence, confidence, and humility. These traits are not innate, they can be developed and cultivated over time. If you want to achieve success, start by adopting these habits and ways of thinking. Remember, success is not about luck or talent, it's about mindset. With the right mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So, take control of your thoughts, focus on your goals, and never stop striving for greatness. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Success is within your reach. Go out and grab it.